a 23-story freestanding wall.
Oh, wow. Oh, what is the wall?
It's an optical illusion created by the triangular shape of the Nix Hospital, built in 1930 as one of the first fully air-conditioned, full-service hospitals in the United States.
Wow.
Well, I guess it must be full service. It's the only hospital I know of that's got a bar in the ground floor. It's the anesthesiology department.
Ito mo ko?
Straight up ahead, the Hyatt Hotel is not really very tall for a city hotel. There's a reason for it, because 2 blocks on the other side is the Alamo. And according to tradition, you can't build anything that will create a shadow on a war memorial at sunset. That's why they weren't allowed to build this Hyatt more than 16 stories. That makes it easy